So on stage we have Vedant Agarwal with his book Kuch Kisse Kuch Baatein. And to tell a little bit about him, he basically started with literature. He has an English honors, but he moved into professional boxing. And then in somewhere in the middle, he was injured, and then he decided to come back to literature. So that was almost like a calling. He decided to come back to literature, and here we are. He has his book with us. It's called Kuch Kisse Kuch Baatein. If you look through it, the first glance, it is so colorful. Every page is a different color. All the poems, they are expressed so beautifully. और अगर मैं उसका मतलब बुक के बारे में बताऊं तो मैं हिंदी में कुछ बोलती हूँ. तो ये काव्य संग्रह है जो हृदय की गहराइयों से लेकर आत्मा के अंतर्दृष्टि तक का एक सफर कराता है. कुछ किस्से कुछ बातें में रचनाएं संवेदनाओं, सपनों और जीवन के विभिन्न पहलुओं की गहराइयों से निकलकर सामने आती हैं. यह संग्रह आत्मिक सच्चाइयों की ओर संकेत करता है और पढ़ने वाले को एक अनूठे साहित्य अनुभव में ले जाता है. यह संग्रह जीवन की विभिन्न दहलीजों से गुजरते हुए उसकी अद्वितीय को महसूस करता है. इस काव्य पुस्तक में हर कदम एक कविता है जो आत्मा की गहराइयों में छुपे रहस्यों को खोलती है. यह काव्य संग्रह जीवन के मूल्यों, राज और सौंदर्य को एक नए दृष्टिकोण से दर्शाती है. So, Vedant, if you had to describe about your book in one or two sentences, in Hindi, English, whatever you feel comfortable with, please.
So the book itself is like everything. मतलब आप कुछ भी पढ़ेंगे तो आई एम श्योर कि ये सारी कविताओं में से एक कविता ऐसी होगी जो कि आपको टच करके जरूर जाएगी. It's like hope. Even out of like the miseries, I'll take out the hope out. Like ki hope aaye. So yeah.
On that note, we'll just reveal your book. So that
Absolutely.
just you can lift it up. तो वेदांत, ये कुछ किस्से कुछ बातें लिखने का आइडिया कब आया और कितना टाइम लगा इसको एक्चुअली लिखने में एंड देन पब्लिशिंग इट?
So I'm writing from 2019 apparently.
ओके.
तो हुआ क्या कि it's like मैं तो कविताएं लिखता था and I used to post it on Instagram earlier. So
Yeah, I have seen your page.
yeah, so few of my friends and like family told me it's like people can connect through it and like you should get it published. So I went for it apparently. Yeah.
तो इसमें मतलब I have gone through this book countless times because I was involved in the production, right?
Right.
So a lot of these poems are about love and
Right, yes.
एक चाय की प्याली इस टाइप की भी बहुत सारी कविताएं है ना.
That's what I'm saying, that you can connect
Yeah.
with everything, every
Exactly.
point of time.
So any of these poems, are they connected with the characters in your life or anything that has experienced or encounters, anything?
Absolutely. मेरे लाइफ के जर्नी के बारे में भी है. It's like a lot of ups and downs, but like I have brought everything on the brighter side to it. Like you can read and tell me that like you cannot feel ki it's like it was a sad point or a good point.
Yeah.
Like,
I mean, it's life, right? With the
yeah, it's
ups
life, of
and
course,
downs,
of course.
Yeah.
You
So
have
out
to
of-
bring something good out of it.
Definitely.
Yeah.
I mean, being optimistic is the way to go, right?
Absolutely.
So if you, I mean, I know it's a very hard question to ask, but if you had to pick one poem out of all the ones you've written, which one would you pick?
My first one that I wrote for my father.
Oh, that's
The first
great.
poem that I wrote for my father, that's the one.
That is great. How was your journey like? Like I know, like boxing is completely, like wherever you were involved.
Life, I always believe that life is a roller coaster because मैंने English honors किया. English honors के बाद मैंने boxing किया. Boxing के बाद मैंने like I have written a Hindi poem book, which is a very drastic thing to
So everything is
completely
so
come.
completely different
Yeah,
from
yeah,
each other.
true,
But
true.
that's nice, right? After a point, you get your calling.
Yeah, of course,
That is true.
of course.
And what else have you like grown up reading? English, and since you've done English
Apparently,
honors,
I
right?
wasn't a reader.
Oh, you
so
weren't?
I went into English honors and I loved Shakespeare apparently.
Ah, yeah,
Like beautiful writing.
yeah.
So yeah.
So Shakespeare,
Yeah.
and then Hindi.
Yeah, I know.
So do you have anyone in your family who
So-
suggests you books or like in Hindi or English? or someone you used to look up
No,
to?
actually, there was my professor in English honors.
Okay.
So he came into the class and he just narrated a Hindi poem by Gulzar.
Yeah.
So I was just awe in that moment, and I started reading Gulzar apparently.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
really nice. I mean, Gulzar is
Yeah,
everyone knows
amazing.
Gulzar. Everyone loves Gulzar. Like,
Amazing.
Quoting it here and
So,
there,
yeah.
it's really really nice. What kind of readers do you think would pick this up?
Somebody that loves life.
Oh, that's a great answer. Somebody that wants to read about experiences.
Yeah, true.
really
And
nice.
I am sure that they might, like relate to it and get through it. Yeah.
Do you have any plans of coming up with a sequel or something which is
Yeah,
along the same lines? But
I'm
not
I'm
also-
still into writing, so yeah, I'm writing a few more
Have you tried and dabble into prose
prose
instead
as
of
in.
poetry, like in like novellas or just capturing everything in
No,
your
no. I personally like poems because
like poems.
it can combine the feeling
all of
of
it
an
in
entire
like
genre,
yeah,
like
all of it in such
Yeah.
small.
such a small words.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, poetry is beautiful. What gave you the like? There are so many illustrations in this book, right?
Uh-huh.
Are all of them by someone you know or by you?
No, I hired someone for the.
All right. So
Artwork,
but
yeah.
you had to give in your inputs,
Yeah, yeah,
right? Like you
absolutely,
want this,
absolutely,
you want that. Similarly with the cover, how did you go about putting that? As a
See,
cover?
looking at the cover, you will feel that this book will take you to the places.
That is true.
Like
I
this
mean-
book is in a flying position, which will take you to the places.
Yeah, I
I
mean
feel so.
that's what people look at, when they're
Yeah.
thinking of escaping.
Yeah.
They go to the mountains, they go here, they just want to
The
fly.
readers read.
That is
So,
true.
yeah.
That is true. And if you had to say something about your book so that people pick it up, what would you say?
Uh, I'll say that if you are in a dark phase, or even you want to find a hope or life, so give it a read, of course. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, absolutely.
Do you think events like this make it a good place for you to come and connect with your
Yes,
readers?
true.
And also push for literature to be the way it is and
True.
be
It
a
will
part
give
of-
a place to exposure of the book. Yeah, of course.
Definitely.
Of course.
Anything else you want to say? We can proceed to signing up.
Yeah, I would love to read one poem. Yeah.
Sure. Please, he's gonna read a poem out of his book. So
Yeah. So this one is called मुस्कुराहट की छाप. याद है तुम्हें जाते वक्त तुम अक्सर पलट के देखा करती थी, वो आखिरी मुस्कुराहट की छाप छोड़ दिया करती थी. समय बीता और तुमने पलटना छोड़ दिया. रोकने की कोशिश कर सकते थे पर तुमने हमें देख मुस्कुराना छोड़ दिया. So, yeah.
I don't know if
Something like that.
I should clap for it because I'm very sad. It has a very, but yeah, definitely.
But like still it leaves to an optimistic viewpoint.
Definitely.
I don't even think bad of someone that wasn't there.
Definitely. I mean, you have to move on after a point.
Yeah, of course.
All right. So we'll
Yeah.
proceed to signing the books.
Of course.
And they already have these stamps called signed by the author.
Okay,
So
perfect.
people who want to pick it up right now, they would just take away with your
Perfect.
signature. Yes.